Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.
Team yangu ndiye muitasi ikatudzoka zvakare tiri kupisa na skimbo aiwa kazi tiri kupisa zokupe team yangu pasata pita ndezva nasika mungoba button subscribe but kana wasubscribe pakujara aiwa machenda takutongofambira nyaya.
You know, I don't want to talk about Olinda because to me she's just an irrelevant person. There's really nothing much to say about her. There's nothing special to say about her. Olinda is someone I don't even know, but who tries so much to be in my life by talking about me and all that. I think she's just someone, another attention. I'm not moved. Like, she's always claiming, oh, I've got money. And I'm not moved. I do not marry. Marry, nuwa. Kote marry pa Facebook. Ndotamba ni marry saka ndi wanzo ovunduke marry pa Facebook. Mbinga ndotamba nazo andizi mbinga but mbinga ndodziziva. So I don't need to be convinced. Kuti, oh, I'm richer than you. No, I know richer people than me. And those people, if they say I'm richer than you, you don't hear me even saying a word because I know. So she's someone who loves to make people believe whatever. But I won't get into that because inini anaondi koshera as munano wandinga vunduke.
Is your story still court's gonna it's out?
It's still in the courts. Like now we went to court. She's not filing anything. I think she's busy with trying to compete with me on my wedding. I'm sure she's trying to come with a jet or 10 jets since she's all about competition. That's why she's not acting. Taka told me rama paper. My lawyer was go court sometime last week. Like I'm saying, I think she's busy trying to make sure kuti mchato wangu wadarika wake, of which ina na uchatra ye ndaka chatra for my happiness. Unogona kuspenda millions on a wedding and you are not happy with the person you're married to. It's not about what people will say, wow. People can wow you, but are you happy? Are you happy with the man of your life, of your dreams? Is he the one? Or you are doing it for people? You don't wait for people. You wait for your heart. At the end of the day, kuseri kwe life, kune upenyu. Are you happy? Are you okay? Are you satisfied with the person you're with? That's what you should focus on. Hey, happiness, not competing with me. I am not a millionaire. I'm a nobody. I'm somebody who's trying so much. I work hard for my life, for my family, and for what I believe in. So I just think she should stop. Kunditera kudai.
Jana no tanga mumwe.
She always comes out to say my name, and then when I retaliate, she feels offended. Why do you want to attack me? She doesn't have the right to advise me.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.